Hi friends, in this problem we are given two quadratic equations x square plus bx minus 1, x square plus x plus b. Now these two equations have one common root. Then what is the value of b? Okay, so now when an equation has a root, so for example the root of this equation is 2. Then what does that mean? If we replace x with 2, then this part should become 0. Let's say if the common root is 2. This part should become 0. This part also should become 0 whenever x is 2. Right. Basically, what does it mean? For the common root, this equation should be 0. This equation also should be 0. Basically, x square plus bx minus 1 should be equal to x square plus x plus b, which should be equal to 0, right? Now taking that, let us try to equate both of them and then see what we can do. Okay, x square plus bx plus bx minus 1 should be equal to x square plus x plus b for whatever x. If x is then we have to solve for that x. For which x these two are equal and these two should be equal to 0. Okay, let's take first two, these two. Then x square and x square will get cancelled. Then b minus 1 x into b minus 1, right? Bx minus b into x minus 1 should be equal to this x plus 1, x plus 1, sorry, this b plus 1, right? Bx minus x is equal to b plus 1. What does that mean? X equals b plus 1 by b minus 1. Okay, this one should solve this equation also, this equation also. Let us substitute this one in this. Okay, x square, what is x square? B plus 1 by b minus 1 whole square plus bx, b into b plus 1 by b minus 1 minus 1 should be equal to 0, right? We have solved for x. This x should satisfy this also, this also. We are just inputting this one here and find out what can be. Okay. Now, what can we write this as? B plus 1 whole square plus b into b plus 1 into b minus 1, which is b square minus 1, a plus b into a minus b, minus b minus 1 whole square. This is equal to 0. Basically, here we are taking common denominator, right? B minus 1 whole square. This is b minus 1. So that's why this numerator will be multiplied by one more b minus 1. So b into b plus 1 into b minus 1 minus 1 into b minus 1 whole square, right? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is also a square plus b square minus 2ab. This 2ab minus of minus 2ab. So this will become this and this together will cancel out and will be left with 2b minus of minus 2b, which is 4b. 4b plus b into b square minus 1 equal to 0. What does that mean? B into b square minus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. Right. What does that mean? Either b equal to 0 or b square equal to minus 3. Right. Either this is 0 or this is equal to minus 3. B square plus 3 is 0 or b square equals to minus 3. That means b is equal to under root plus or minus 3i. Under root plus or minus 3. So these are the solutions that we have. We can take these values. So the correct answer is this one. Right, guys? Very simple problem. When two equations have a common root, then firstly, those two equations should be equal and they should be equal to 0 for that common root. That's what we have done. We have equated both the equations and solved for x, and then we use that x and substituted in one of the equations and to convert everything in terms of b and solve that equation to find out what is b. Right, guys? Simple problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.